The Fayetteville, Arkansas Climate Summary is at 9 a.m. February 15, 2025. There may be in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison. WNG 608 serves the
Okay, Memphis is testing.
Saturday night, mostly clear.
WXA 57 tested, so you might as well just catch Memphis.
Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Monday, partly cloudy in the morning. Mostly cloudy with a 40%
There's Memphis. WXA 52, you gotta go off. It's already 11:03.
Serving the Memphis listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If the severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled for the week and return the following Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK 49 Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties: in Arkansas, Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis. In Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Dick, and Tunica. And in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Hewitt, Waterville, Shelby, and Tippah. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including this area message coding, visit the NOAA Radio website at weather.gov/AWR.
Drake Field in Fayetteville. It was fair. The temperature was 63. Dew point 53.
Here it goes. That's rare. There we go.
Service office in Tulsa. The
Whoa.
preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically
My little
activated by
voice.
this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between the hours of 10 a.m. and 12 noon local time. If there's a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver and good working order.
Levels.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Oklahoma: Adair, Petitoka, Bryan, Craig, Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek, Cole, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington. And in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. And in Missouri, McDonald and Berry counties. And in Kansas, Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery counties. This concludes this week's test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System.